New item na in-offer natin sa Accessory Auto Shop, auto-retractable, very easy to use. So push lang. So hi guys, today we'll show you another new item na in-offer natin sa Accessory Auto Shop. The ADA Overland retractable awning tent. Pa-open na yung box, but we'll show you kung ano lang yung mga included. Tapos later we'll show the video, demo video kung paano siya ino-operate, how easy it is to deploy, tapos kung gaano kadali rin siya i-pack up. These are the accessories na included sa box. It comes with a pouch pa, ADA Overland tag. So nilabas na namin yung mga accessories. It comes with 4 pieces na guy ropes, 2 pieces ng wrench, 4 pieces na galvanized L-shaped tent pegs. Again, to help to secure yung awning tent natin just in case na nasa hindi magandang weather, medyo mahangin or maulan. Especially now na magtatagulan, for those na gusto pang overland, yan, kasama na yan. It comes with quick release bracket na din. For the other brands na meron tayo, awning brackets are sold separately. So for ADA Overland, kasama na siya. And nakaugat pa yung ADA Overland brand nila. It also comes with 2 switches. I think this is for the light. So, demo na natin ngayon. Na-install na yung ADA Overland awning tent natin. So, open lang natin yung lock. Very easy to operate and use. May dalawang latch lang siya. Then, pull na natin to. Push lang natin to lock the arms. Okay. Yan. So, naka-deploy ka na in less than 5 seconds. Naka-deploy ka na ng awning tent. Super easy and very convenient to use talaga. If ever magkaroon ng bad weather or medyo mahangin dun sa pumuntahan natin na trail, ito yung dalawang pole. As you can see, may cover pen. Yan. Adjust accordingly na lang sa height, lalo na sa aking katangkadan. Taas natin. Para sa mga 6-footer like me. So, there's the other. Again, which is very good dahil meron kang option. Kahit freestanding tong awning tent na to, meron tayong option just in case na kailanganin na meron tayong pole. For the LED lights, meron tayo kanina, as I've mentioned earlier, meron nakasamang switch yan na i-connect natin dito sa power outlet natin. Open lang natin to. Yan. It has 2 modes. Meron siyang white light saka yung warm light. So may switch naman siya for options kung ano yung pwede mong gamitin na ilaw. So that's how easy it is to deploy and operate. Now, pakita rin natin pagka tatanggalin na natin. Let's say pack up na. Again, very easy. Especially pagka uwian na, pagod na tayo sa trail, gustong-gusto na natin at nagmamadali na umuwi. Close. So push lang. Yan, unlock lang natin siya before lock. So pakita nga natin. Ang main feature talaga ng awning tent na to is how easy it is to operate or use compared to other tents na the manual. Mahirap lang i-operate on your own compared to this new awning tent na retractable. So if you want to avail this auto-retractable awning tent, very easy to use. Just message us on our page. Inquire lang mga boss. To the next build. G out.